Good morning, everyone. We are here to present a presentation on blockchain-based pharmaceutical supply tracing and authentication system. We are group number 58 under the supervision of Dr. Vinay Trivedi, who is assistant professor at ECED. I am Bhavik Jain of 4NC1 batch and my roll number is 101915016.
Hi, myself Lovish Jindal from 4NC7 and my roll number is 101915171.
Hello, I am Jaskirat Singh. I am from 4NC3 and my roll number is 101915064.
Hello, I am Harshkar and I am from batch 4ENC2 and my roll number is 101915048.
Now, if we see the current supply chain, it is completely manual and there is no transparency between patient, manufacturer or distributor. So patient is unable to identify whether the medicine is original or duplicate. Transparency is the main feature of our project. It allows the patient to see how the medicine has been transported and the information about the people indulged in that supply chain. Now, objective of our project is it provides a blockchain-based framework for the supply chain management or detection and tracking of medicines. We are designing and implementing smart contracts for describing various tasks in that supply chain. Also, objective is to explore the technologies related to the blockchain and analyze the performance of the proposed framework.
System architecture. System architecture consists of four stakeholders: manufacturers, distributors, retailers, or consumers. Moving on to the next slide. When manufacturing a medicine, he will put a QR code at the back of the medicine and put it the same as on the block of the blockchain. At every step, it will be updated about its travel through. When the customer is buying, that they can get the information by scanning that QR code, like where it has traveled, for what period we are storing, medicine ID and its data. We are storing in the blockchain. Actually, we are using the blockchain to provide security to the database. We are providing security as our model is encrypted using SPA models.
Now I will explain the tools and technology used in our project. Basically, we in our front-end part, we have used React.js and JavaScript styling libraries, which will make our user interface dynamic and beautiful. And if I talk about our backend, for backend, we have used Solidity platform in which works on smart contracts as its programming language, which is based on object-oriented programming language. And for connecting our backend with frontend, we have used MetaMask extension, which is also used to create and read the particular transactions for our QR code generation. And for running our project completely on one platform, we have used Truffle CLI. In this image, you are seeing the Solidity platform, and in which Ethereum transactions are being taking place, and the cost of each transaction is being showed. In this image, as my friend have told about system architecture, the whole working of our project is showing. As you can see in the image 2, the first transaction is by manufacturer, and the particular contract address is created by that manufacturer, and further for the distributor, further for the retailer, and at the end, that contract address generated by the retailer will be scanned by the consumer to validate or to authenticate the medicine.
Now, coming on to the project outcomes, the buyer or the consumer will be able to investigate whether the medicine is real or fake and provide the live tracking of the pharmaceutical supplies to the manufacturer. The manufacturer can add the new information about the product, he can change the information about the product, and this information can neither be changed or deleted. Thus, our solution is providing the integrity and confidentiality to the manufacturer. And now, this will ultimately remove the dilemma of the counterfeit drugs as everything will be automatic and secure. That is, while a buyer is investigating that a medicine is real or fake, he can just scan the QR code and see whether it's a fake drug or a real drug. Now, moving on to the professional and technical learnings. From the project, from the entire journey of the project, we learn how to build a web application completely based on blockchain technology while understanding all the concepts of the smart contracts that are built in Solidity. We learn to migrate all the contracts to the blockchain ledger using Truffle and assigning all the entities with their unique private key via Ganache. We learn to link the application with the web using MetaMask. Thus, we have a very good experience of software development lifecycle. Thank you.